Hi everyone, welcome to week 15. This is your video for the week. I wanted to just go over a couple of things with you really quick. It is 9 o'clock on April 20th. So this week you are reading chapter 10, which is the digital world, and chapter 14. So for chapter 10, there's a video for you to watch and then do the quiz, which for those of you who have 9:25 class, it's due in 20 minutes on Monday at 12:15. Obviously, it's due by 12:15, and Tuesday, Thursday, it's due by 9:25 tomorrow. So for chapter 14, there are two different case studies. If you're in groups 1 and 2, you're going to be reading case study number 1, and groups 3 and 4, you're going to read case study number 4. Please make sure that you're reading the chapter because in order for the case study to make sense, you need to make sure that you read the chapter first. Then make sure you take the quiz, which is the last quiz. Yay! And then journal number 4, which is due on Sunday, April 26th. So that's that. So I miss you guys. I'm looking forward to our Zoom meeting next Monday, the 27th, or if you're Tuesday the 28th, at our regular scheduled class times. So your verse this week is John 14:1. Do not let your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. So as we are wrapping up this semester, I'm excited for you guys to be done because I know that there's probably a ton of stuff for you guys to do and get done for the end of this semester, and then you can relax a little bit. I'm hopefully the stay-at-home ban or whatever that we have for this coronavirus is lifted, so you can at least get out and enjoy some of the summer before you have to come back in the fall. So again, I miss you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you next week. It'll be important for you to be on next week. So we're just going to kind of review the last 2 weeks because you have your last exam next Wednesday or next Thursday, depending on your class. And then your personal reflection paper, which is due Sunday, May 3rd. And then, of course, your projects. So if you guys have questions, pop onto Zoom. I'll be here. Otherwise, I will see all of your wonderful faces next week. Take care, guys.